How to change Netflix kid account or kids profile to a normal profile. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this tutorial video I'll just show you how you can change a kid's profile on Netflix to a normal profile. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now you have to understand that I will basically show you two things, and one is that just go ahead and launch the Netflix application as well. Once you launch the Netflix application, you basically can see that I have the kids profile over here and I have other profiles. So if I want to change this kids profile to normal, the only way I can do that is first way that you can delete this kids profile and you can just create a new normal profile, which means if you don't want a kids profile, you can just delete it. So tap on this little edit icon on the top right and you can tap on this kids profile and scroll down, select delete profile. Now before you delete it, you might ask that there are all of the viewing preferences that you might want to import to another account. Well, that is also very possible. You can actually transfer your profile histories to another profile, which I will show you in the next step. So the other thing we can do instead of this is that we can launch our browser and then go to netflix.com, and we can see this how it's going to look like. So tap on the three line and go to the option that says account at the very top. Once you go to account, here you have to actually scroll down to the bottom of the screen and you can see profile transfers. So in order to import all of those viewing preferences after you delete it and change it to a new account, you can go ahead and turn on profile preferences as well, and you can just go ahead and import all of those settings. But other thing I can tell you is you can see the option called kids, but if I still want to let it view some of all the content and settings over here, I'll just tap on it. You can see viewing restrictions is set to 7+ and below, so just tap on change. Once I tap on the change button, it will ask you to confirm to make changes to a maturity setting, and just tap on the continue button. And as you can see, it says only show titles, and currently it is set to 7+, but if you want to change this to a normal account, you can keep in the all button. But keep in mind that even if you set it to all, because since this is still a kids profile, content above a certain maturity rating is still restricted. But if you want to save your changes, then just tap on the save button at the bottom, and it is basically going to get recommended all of the other stuffs as well. But just keep in mind that the best way to do it is to delete it and then just create a new profile if you no longer want it. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then convert a kids profile into a normal profile on Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.